Stop for a moment and consider this. What if Earth is far more intelligent than we give it credit for? We constantly talk about climate collapse, environmental destruction, and the planet dying, but rarely ask a deeper question. What if Earth has been correcting itself all along, not magically and not perfectly, but through systems that have evolved over billions of years? For most of Earth's history, life has faced conditions far worse than anything humans have experienced. Around 2.4 billion years ago, tiny microorganisms released oxygen as a byproduct of their survival. Today, oxygen sustains life, but back then it was toxic. This single change wiped out most existing organisms, yet instead of ending life on Earth, it triggered adaptation. New forms of life emerged, complexity increased, and what looked like mass destruction became a planetary reset. The same pattern appears during Earth's ice ages. Entire continents were locked under thick layers of ice, temperatures plunged, and conditions became almost unlivable. From a human perspective, this would look like the end of the world. But beneath the surface, Earth's internal systems continued to operate. Volcanic activity released carbon dioxide, slowly warming the planet. Over time, the ice retreated, ecosystems returned, and life adapted once again. There was no master plan, only feedback loops restoring balance. Oceans provide another powerful example. As carbon levels rise in the atmosphere, oceans absorb large amounts of it. When acidity increases, marine ecosystems respond. Plankton populations shift, coral systems struggle, migrate, collapse, and sometimes reform elsewhere. These changes are harsh and unforgiving, but they are not random. Earth does not prioritize comfort or stability. It prioritizes balance. Even forests follow this logic. Wildfires appear destructive, yet many ecosystems depend on them. Some seeds only open after exposure to extreme heat, and certain trees require fire to reproduce. What looks like devastation is often the beginning of regeneration. Destruction in nature is frequently part of correction. This brings us to humans. We often believe we are destroying the planet, but from Earth's perspective, we may simply be another variable. Climate change is real and environmental damage is serious, but Earth does not measure loss the way humans do. Earth has survived asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, extreme climate shifts, and multiple mass extinctions. It does not need humans to survive. Humans, however, need Earth to remain predictable. The real danger is not that Earth will collapse, but that it will rebalance in ways that human systems cannot handle. Rising sea levels do not threaten the planet, but they threaten coastal cities. Rapid temperature changes do not harm Earth's existence, but they disrupt agriculture, water systems, and economies. Earth adjusts on geological timescales, while humans build societies assuming stability over decades. When those timelines collide, human civilization is the first to feel the shock. Consider this thought experiment. If humans disappeared tomorrow, forests would reclaim cities within centuries, oceans would clear, and wildlife would flourish. Earth would heal quickly. But if Earth continues to change rapidly, while humans remain rigid, our systems fail first. The planet moves on. We struggle to adapt. Perhaps the most important question is not whether Earth is dying, but whether we are aligned with how Earth actually works. Humans plan in years and decades, while Earth operates in thousands and millions of years. We design for permanence, but Earth functions through constant change. Right now, those two approaches are colliding. Earth is not fragile. Human civilization is. Understanding Earth's self-correction mechanisms should not make us careless, but humble. The planet does not negotiate or wait for consensus. It adjusts. If we fail to adapt alongside it, the consequences are not Earth's problem. They are ours. So the next time someone says we are destroying the planet, remember this: Earth has survived far worse than humanity. The real question is whether humanity can survive Earth's next correction. If this perspective made you think differently about the world you live on, this channel is built for you. We share thought-provoking stories about Earth, the universe, and the future every single day. Like the video, follow the channel, and subscribe to MindKlick, because understanding the future is far more powerful than being surprised by it.